Hello everyone, this is Team WS channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Warzone dev error code 5573. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and I'll start the video without wasting any time. So to fix dev error, first of all you just need to go to start menu and then go to network settings and just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. After completing all these steps, just restart your PC and hope so your error is fixed. So just don't forget to like the video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.